and welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at something that we haven't been able to show you a whole lot of thus far, and that's some of the blacksmithing that we do here at the museum, which of course is very popular here at the museum. But as the work is done in front of the public, and oftentimes the larger projects go on over periods of multiple days, we haven't thus far been able to video document it as well as we might like. But what we have for you today is a close look at the production of a pair of andirons, which our blacksmith made some time ago for our reproduction governor's household here. And what we've got is a photo documentation of each of the steps of the process for creating these. So that's what we've got for you today, is that step-by-step documentation of the process, and we hope you enjoy it.